let's set up our Facebook profile photo. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Let's start with Facebook profile. Let's search whatever you want to do. Just search it on Canva. Facebook profile pic. So here are the options and the other templates that you get. You must have seen a lot of people using these. Okay, let's choose any one. So let's say we want to choose, what would you want to go with? Okay, let's choose this one. So this is one of the background image, and what we do over here is, no, let's do something else, something more interesting, something more fun. Let's delete this and we import, upload something else. What's that something else? Let me import my pic. Cool. Now that's my pic. What I do is I select the pic and I see if I have an option to edit the image. I remove the background. Since I have a Canva Pro, I am able to do this. Cool, the background is removed. Next, what I do is I come back, I go to an option. So I have different options or different available. I go to shadow. Okay, we must have seen a lot of these. Now when we have this shadow set up and we customize the shadow, we increase the transparency to 100, we make the blur 0, and we change the color to, let's say, yellow, and then what we do is we increase the size to, okay, now how much ever you want it. Now let's change the background to red. Okay, so you must have seen something like this. Let's bring it in the center, and boom, here your profile image is ready with that outline effect that we see for a lot of profiles. Here your profile image with this amazing effect of that outline thing is done in no time. That's how you build your Facebook profile image. You can similarly do the same for your Instagram or for your LinkedIn. So that's how you design your Facebook profile image, the profile image actually for any of the social media platforms that you want to use it on. Facebook profile image is done.